Can I cut my water lilies that are turning yellow without hurting them? And this is Deborah. So what do y'all think about that one?
Well, I think like we were talking about, once a leaf turns yellow, it's not really feeding the plant anymore. So you can get rid of that without really damaging the plant.
I agree, 100%.
Yeah, go ahead and cut that back, right? For plant health sake, right? And then something else I just thought about, water quality.
Oh yeah.
Right, yeah, that's really important, water quality.
Because as those are breaking down, they're getting into your water system as well. Build up from the bottom, all that stuff breaking down, cause more oxygen, sometimes can affect your aquatic life too, fish, turtles, things like that. So I would definitely take them off.
I would take them off, right? Because you definitely don't want to hurt that aquatic life that you have down there with the bacteria and things like that, right?
Right.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.